When it comes to databases in a testing environment, you don't want to add tons of data manually through a database client. Honestly, this will take forever because you need to add rows yourself. Laravel offers two types of options of adding data inside your database. The first option is a model factory, which is mostly used for testing purposes because it allows you to generate a huge amount of fake data. It is a PHP class that defines the structure of your data and can be used to create test data for your application. With a model factory, you could easily create and insert multiple records into your database. It also offers seeders, and seeders are classes that are used to insert data into your application's database. They are often used to insert data that is important for the system to operate with, such as user roles that could be used throughout your entire application. Unlike factories, which are mostly used for testing purposes and generating fake data, seeders are used to insert real data into your application. Keep in mind that seeders should be used appropriately and not for generating large amounts of fake data. I see a lot of developers using them for the wrong purposes. My recommendation is to use factories when you want to use fake data and use seeders whenever you want to insert real data into your application.